So today it arrived, my box, my Yeezys, my new Yeezys, and I bought them yesterday off of the site of Adidas, and today is the unboxing. So they just arrived like 10 minutes ago, and of course I wanted you guys to be the first to see, and look how beautifully they're packed. YEEZY 350. You know, whenever you get a package, it's always nice if they pack it in a nice way. So the unboxing itself is a nice experience. Let me clear the table for you guys. Look how beautiful, and see who's in the background. Also Kanye West. So the shoe size I ordered is 43 1/3, which is a equivalent to a 9 in the US or in the UK, and a 9.5 in the US. Yeah, let's unbox it. Let's see what we've got here. It's actually one of my first Yeezys, so it's also very new to me. But today we're going to see what it's all about. Let me see how I'm going to unbox this. It's really hard if you have one camera and one. There you go. There you go, how beautiful these are. Look at that. Look at these. So they're all black. Let me see what the name is again. YEEZY Boost 350 V2. They're all black, so these are not the glow in the dark ones, which were really popular. These are the ones that launched the 7th of June in Europe, and there are only 3,500 in the entire collection. So there are only 3,500. So they're really in demand right now. They already went up in price. The retail was $220, so I also got them at $220. And you have the Wyndham, so you can just get them if you want to buy them at the store. It's really based on first come, first serve basis. So you just can't get them if you want it. You have to really order them. So yeah, these really look nice. As you can see, the shoelaces are a bit white. They have white dots on them, and these as well. And I haven't worn them. I actually won't wear these. I will probably sell them to a friend of mine who really wants them. And as you can see, the soles are also very beautiful. As you can see, these are foam, and they last really long. Actually, a friend of mine wore Yeezys, and he wore them for about 2 years. He did wear them very carefully, and it lasted him the full 2 years. So yeah, these are the new Yeezys. If you're interested in buying them though, you have to buy them from a reseller, because they don't they're not available anymore in the Adidas store or anywhere else. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any more questions or you have something to mention, you can always comment, and please subscribe. Peace out.